Hi, very good morning to all. My name is Bhavana and our subject is BOM, Business Organization and Management. This is for BCom first years in first semester, both general and computer students. In this previous lecture, we discussed complete detailed in about Memorandum of Association. We discussed that what is memorandum of association, where it is useful, why you can prepare memorandum of association, because it is a key document for every starting of a company. It must require, so we can say it is a fundamental document. We can also discuss what is the importance of the memorandum of association and what are the features of memorandum of association and what are the classes in memorandum of association. If you want to alter any class, what is its procedure also we learn in the yesterday's class. Today we are discussing what are the forms of memorandum. Let's see here. Various forms of memorandum have been specified in table A, B, C, D and E in the schedule 1 as explained under. Just it's a give a overall view. We need not to by heart this. Just which table contain what is the information. Just overall overview only. No need to by heart this table. Various forms of memorandum have been specified in table A, B, C, D and E in schedule 1 as explained under. Table A, memorandum of a company limited by shares. Limited by shares are listed under table A. Memorandum of company limited by guarantee and having no share capital is on table B. Memorandum of company limited by guarantee and having share capital, table C. Memorandum of a unlimited company having no share capital, D. Memorandum of unlimited company having a share capital, table E. These are the tables, and in these tables this mentioned information is here. Next, memorandum of a company shall be in such a form. Memorandum may be only in such a form like A or B or C or D or E applicable. Whatever it may be, A to E, it's applicable. I hope you understand. I just give over to know which table what is mentioned. That's why I provide this information. Otherwise, you need not to by heart these forms. Next, our today's important topic is what is the articles. In yesterday we discussed complete overview about the memorandum of association. Today we are discussing the articles of the association. First, definition. Articles means the articles of association of a company as a originally framed or altered from time to time are applied in pursuance of any previous law as same as the memorandum of association in the Act section 2 section 5 of the Companies Act 2013. I also mentioned that sections is also need not to write in the exam. If you want to write in the exam, please quote correct section. Otherwise you forgot the section, please leave it. Don't worry, you don't mention the sections, but just I am writing everything because if anyone is interested in very much in Companies Act, for that persons it's may helpful. You need not to by heart. If you read this and if you forgot in exam, please leave it, but don't write a wrong section. If you have very good clarity about the section, then only you mentioned in the exam. I hope you understand what I am saying. Next, what is the definition? Article means the articles of association as articles is also originally formed and are altered from time to time. It also altered from time to time and applied in pursuance of any previous companies. Like there is any previous companies, like there is any changes or amendments, we can change. Meaning, articles are the rules and regulations formed by a company by its own governments. Articles means articles are the rules. Articles means they are the rules and regulations framed by a government for its own governments. These rules and regulations are framed by government only according to their governance. Means based on our business they formed their own rules and regulations. But memorandum of association are prepared by the promoters based on our liabilities, all this. But these are the day-to-day activities. So articles are the rules of regulations framed by company for it's based on our own governments, means based on our own business they have to frame their articles of association. Let's see here. Articles of association are concerned with the procedural matters in the routine conduct of affairs of a company described item wise. It says what business we are doing item wise, all are mentioned in articles of association. Articles of association are concerned with the procedural matters. What are the procedure you are following for conducting the business in the routine conduct of business, means in daily activities of a company described, you have to describe in item wise. It regulates the right and obligations of members. It regulates what are the rights and obligations. Obligation means we have to finish the work in a particular time. There is an obligation. So it regulates the rights and obligations of members of a company among themselves and determines and governs the relationship between the company and its members. Article shows what are the rights and obligations of members. It describes the relationship between the members of the company. These are the introduction about articles. Articles means the articles of association of a company as originally framed. It is an originally framed as altered from time to time or applied in pursuance of any of the previous company's law or of this act. Articles are the rules. Articles means are the rules and regulations framed by a company for its own governance. Articles of association are concerned with the procedural matters in the routine conduct of affairs of the company described item wise. It regulates the right and obligations of members of a company among themselves and determines and governs the relationship between the company. There is a relationship between the company and its members. What are the contents of articles? What are the contents are listed in articles? Let's see here. The article shall contain the regulations for management of the company. The articles contain the regulations. What are the regulations in the management of the company? They are mentioned in the articles of association. The articles shall contain such matters as may be prescribed under the rules. Based on our rules, the articles are contained. Any company may include any additional matter in articles which is considered necessary for management of the company. If you want any other matter, so we have to take the permission of management of the company. It contain number and value of shares. What are the articles contain? It contain number and value of the shares. Regulations as to calls and shares. What are the regulations we have to require? And regulations as to company lies on member shares for unpaid capital. If there is any unpaid capital, of everything are mentioned in articles. Regulations as to transfer, transmission and forfeiture of shares. There is any transfer, transmission of the forfeiture of the shares. Regulation as to alteration of capital. If want to any alter the capital, means any change the capital. Transfer means we have to transfer the share. Transmission is also same. Forfeiture means if any other person is unable to pay the share and the shares are forfeited. This is about the Companies Act. I think in BCom second year in accounts you learn a very clear cut about the Companies Act problems also. In that way we can get clear clarification. Otherwise we want, let me know. I definitely say what is a forfeiture. But now I am saying it become a very big lesson for us. Regulation as to transfer, we have to transfer the shares, transmission and forfeiture of the shares. Forfeiture means suppose if in our company we subscribe. We are giving 200 shares to the public. In 200 shares, 50 shares of the money are unpaid. For these 50 shares, we have to cancel and reissue. We can say there is the forfeited of shares. I hope you understand. Regulates as a general meeting. When the general meeting has to be conducted. Regulates of directors, their remuneration, etc. There is a regulation according to the directors and remuneration, etc. All these contents are next. Regulation as to dividends and reserves, everything. Regulations as to accounts of audit, dividends, reserves, accounts, audit. Regulations as to votes of members, how many votes of each member. Capitalization of profits, how much profits we are incurred the particular year. Regulation as the seal means company signature. And regulation as to winding up, in when the company is winding up. All these matters, everything are mentioned in the articles. Means day to day, based on our day to day activities, everything are mentioned in the articles of association. Next, in this, whereas in memorandum as forms, at the same way the articles are also forms of articles. Let's see here. various forms of articles has been specified in table F, G, H, I and J in the schedule 1 as explained here under. Please let's see. Table F, articles of company limited by shares. Table G, articles of company limited by guarantee and having share capital. Table H, articles of company limited by guarantee and having no share capital. Table I, articles of unlimited company having share capital. Table J, articles of unlimited company having no share capital. These are all the forms of articles, and before we see in memorandum they are the forms of memorandum. Here this is the forms of articles. Just please go through this, and there is no need to by heart this, and also in the sections also just go through the concept. If you have any doubt the concept, let me know, and sections is also not important. The articles of a company shall be in such a form like table F, G, H, I, J as they may be applicable to it. As based on our company, the articles may apply through it. This is the overview about the articles of association. Articles means there is the rules and regulations framed by a company, rules and regulations framed by a company for its own governance, and articles of association is the procedural matters when it is a routine conduct of affairs of the company described item wise. It regulates the rights and obligations of members. It regulates what are the rights and obligations of members of a company among themselves, and determines and governs the relationship between the company. It defines the relationship between the company and its members. So what are the contents? Contents in articles means it contain number of value of shares, how much value of the shares are there, regulations as to calls of shares, what are the regulations, and regulations as the company lies on members share capital of unpaid capital, regulation as to transmission if there is any forfeiture of this, what are the regulations, and regulation as to alteration of the capital if you want to any alter the capital, what are the procedures, and regulation to in which date we have to conduct the general meetings, directors remuneration, how many directors are there, what is their remuneration, how much dividend you have to pay, and what are the reserves, regulation as to accounts and audit, what are the accounts and audit, and regulation as per the oaths of members, and regulation as to capitalization of the profit, what are the capitalization of profits, regulation as to seal of the company. Seal means seal and signature. We know that company is separate from his person, so company have separate seal, and regulations of binding up of the company. And next to see what are the forms of articles. Various forms of articles are specified in the schedule 1 as specified under. Up to now we discuss what is articles of association, what are the definition, and you know some important points about the articles, and what are the contents in articles of association, what are the forms of articles of association, and we also see that what are the forms in memorandum of association. I hope you understand up to now. If you have any doubt, please let me know. I definitely clarify your doubts. I mentioned everything in a clear way up to now. If you have any doubts regarding up to now, please let me know. I definitely clarify your doubts. Thank you so much.